Some properties are understood through numbers. Others are understood from the air. 5 private acres in Palmira, Boquete, a gated, green, quiet setting where the main residence blends naturally into the landscape. The main home offers generous, well-defined spaces, with multiple bedrooms designed for family, guests, and everyday living without limitations. A functional kitchen, complete service areas, an indoor pool, and a primary suite designed as a true retreat. Here, every space serves a purpose. Beyond the main residence, the property includes additional buildings, an independent guest house, and spaces that expand how the estate can be used. Stables, open areas, and multiple complementary structures turn this into more than a home, a complete estate with long-term vision. Palmira is more than a location. It's space, independence, and potential. And this property is a complete way to experience Boquete.